In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe to real-time data on TradingView. We'll move through the TradingView interface together so you can access the views that rely on live market data and understand where TradingView indicates what's real-time versus delayed. Start by opening your browser and searching for TradingView. From the results, choose the official TradingView site, the one that says Track All Markets. That takes you to the homepage. Here, hover over or click the Products area. This is a good place to get oriented because charts live here, and this is where real-time capable views are accessed. You don't need to change anything yet. We're simply heading to the chart. Next, open a chart for the instrument you care about, an index, a stock, a future, or a forex pair. You can use the search at the top of the chart page to pick your symbol. The live data you see always depends on the specific exchange for that instrument, so it's smart to start with the exact market you plan to follow intraday. On the chart toolbar, look for the interval selector. This is near the candles icon and alongside the compare or add symbol control. Click it, then choose Add Custom Interval. This opens the full range of time-based and activity-based options that interact with live feeds. You'll see ticks, seconds, minutes, hours, days, and ranges. Explore ticks first. Tick charts update with every trade, which is the most sensitive to real-time data. If ticks are available for your market and plan, adding a tick interval will show movement as transactions occur. Next, check seconds. Second-based charts like 5-second or 15-second intervals also lean on real-time updates and are ideal for fast strategies or tape reading. Move to minutes, the most common intraday views such as 1, 3, or 5 minutes. These should update continuously during market hours. Continue with hours and days for higher level trends. Finally, look at ranges, which build bars based on price movement rather than time, another area where live ticks matter. As you add or switch intervals, watch for visual cues that confirm real-time status. The price should advance smoothly during market hours, and you shouldn't see a delayed label or a lock icon for that exchange. If you do, it means your current access doesn't include full live data for that symbol, and you may need the appropriate plan or exchange add-on to unlock those intervals. Once you've confirmed your preferred intervals, keep them handy so you can quickly switch between fast and higher time frame views. That's it. You've reached the chart, opened the interval menu, and validated the views that depend on real-time data.